Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 261 and there was a problem streaming data error on mobile device. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the apps option and search for Roblox and click on the Roblox and force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission, camera allow, back, contracts allow, back, microphone allow, back, notification allow. Okay, go back. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go to your Play Store and search for Roblox and tap on the Roblox and check update your Roblox apps. My Roblox apps already updated to the latest version. Now open your Roblox and see. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.